Hello again and welcome to Tips and Tricks for February 2022. This month, transferring image manager jobs from one instance to another.
All right, this video is in case you need to move job definitions from one instance to another, one machine to another. Some of you may have a test instance and a production instance. You may just be doing a full migration. So there'll be a few different ways that you can do that. I'm in a demo system right now. In an image manager, when I go to edit job definitions, I can see all my job definitions, and if I select a particular one, for instance, this one right here, when you select it, you have an export this job button. Clicking that downloads a UFIM job extension file. Now, what I can also do, if I want to grab a group of jobs, I can select all these. And with those selected, I can use the toolbar to download a file. Now, the only difference is we now have a UFIM jobs plural file. Okay, with those two files, I am going to go over to a local system here on my laptop. And for the first one, I'm going to go to edit job definitions again. And you see the import button here. So we go to the file dialog, downloads, and for this one we want the not plural version, the UFIM job extension from the first method. That's going to tell you what job is coming in. So we want to make sure the name's correct how we want it named and import this file, and it's now created in this system. Second method with the UFIM jobs file, again, we use the toolbar. So instead of the download, we are going to import. So we take that plural file. Are we sure we want to import this? Yes, we do. What that is also going to do is it's going to look to see if any of your jobs are using any special filters, validations, lookups, and bring those appropriate scripts over. So that method is a one-stop shop. Now, for the last method, if you do want a way to just bring over all of your jobs from one system to another, you can simply go to your unformed server install directory and copy the file ufjobdef.dat, and that will copy over all of your jobs, not including your scripts, filters, validations. And that's a few ways to get documents moved over from one system to another, job definitions.
My name is Dan Schmidt. If you have any suggestions or comments about tips and tricks, please email them to dans@synergic-data.com. For Unformed Tips and Tricks, thank you very much. We'll see you next month.